Welcome to 5081 Caesena Way here in the beautiful 55 and over community of Ocean Hills Country Club. This home has recently been upgraded with this beautiful, beautiful chef's kitchen. And in fact, the whole house has been upgraded, as you'll see. New floors, brand new windows, new cabinets, everything. So this is a real entertainer's delight. And your entertaining can easily spill outside because in the backyard, you have greenery and you're on a slightly elevated lot. So this is really an entertainer's dream and a very comfortable home. Let's take a quick tour and see what you think.